The next speaker, ladies and gentlemen, he is a professional whose career has centered on bringing people together through impactful conversations and experiences. Now tell your neighbor, he is not just a DJ. Tell your neighbor, he is not just a DJ. David Lambert Tumwesije is an economist who has over 20 years experience in advocacy, stakeholder engagement, and strategic communications, where he oversaw high-level breakfast meetings, policy dialogues, conferences, and public engagement events. Through that work, he developed a deep appreciation of how sound, lighting, staging, and production shape audience experience and influence communication outcomes. That passion, ladies and gentlemen, evolved into founding D&J Audio, a premium audio-visual production company delivering memorable event experiences for corporate and landmark events in Uganda. Today, he is going to be sharing insights on the topic, engineering memorable experiences, premium audio-visual production for landmark events. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together. Let's stand up and welcome Mr. David Lambert Tumwesije.